let's simplify this expression on the board. It's very easy. Now all you just need to do is to know the basic law of indices or exponent. So how do you go about it? Now let us take whatever is in the bracket there as a single term. So if we say x raised to 2, it implies x times x, right? Okay, so let's do that here. And why I'm doing this is because I want to resolve it just using the exponent rule. So we have 2 raised to 5 minus 2 raised to 4, then all over. Now 8 can be reduced to a base of 2, since you have a base of 2 here and we have a base of 2 here. So here you have 2 raised to 3. Now looking at these two terms here, you will see a common factor, okay, which is 2 raised to 4. The same thing here, 2 raised to 4. So let us factor it out. Then you have here 2 raised to 4. Now when we factor out 2 raised to 4 here, this 2 raised to 5 is the same as saying 2 raised to 4 plus 1, okay, which can further be broken down to 2 raised to 4 times 2 raised to 1. Okay, so, and if you factor out 2 raised to 4 from 2 raised to 2 raised to 5, you are left with what? 2. Alright, so here we have 2. Then minus this, we are left with 1. That's correct. So, same principle applied here. So here we have 2 raised to 1, then minus 1, then 2 raised to 4, or 2 raised to what? 3. And we know that 2 take away 1 is 1, 2 take away 1 is 1. So to that end, we can now agree here that this is something as 2 raised to 4 times 1, then into 1 times 2 raised to 4. Everything 2 raised to what? 3. And 2 times 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Now here we now have 2 raised to 4 times 2 raised to 4, then all over 2 raised to 3. Okay, so, and by the laws of indices, now when two exponents with the same base multiply, then we can sum up their exponents. So this becomes 2. Now 2 plus, 4 plus 4, that will give us what? 8. Now another law of exponents tells us that when two exponents divide each other with the same base, their exponent will be what? Subtracted. So which implies, okay, let me just do it step by step so that we'll get to understand that. So here now we now have 2 raised to 8 minus 3. Now that's because according to this law, which gives us what? A raised to m minus n. So at the end here, our final answer now becomes, let me just clean this. Our final answer becomes 2 raised to 5, which can also be 32. So whichever one is the answer. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you. Bye bye.